There's ways that Lucia is playing with femininity and masculinity that are bringing so much life and so much psychosis to the role. It's really creating a scary, scary character, especially within the Me Too movement in culture today. It's really being emphasized how awful he really is, how evil he is.
She wants people focus on her actual music because that's what we do. But some people buy things for the package. That's marketing. I think it's brilliant that Tobias brought Lucia to Tulsa, not necessarily New York, Chicago, San Francisco. That makes everything more sensational.
If it were me, I would feel like it was kind of taking away from who I was as a singer. But it's a double-edged sword, I guess, because maybe that's the only reason why people are coming.
There's more pressure that people who really know voices and really know opera see this and come away saying, yes, that was the right choice for Don Giovanni.